The Olympics are supposed to be about peace, unity, and gold medals. But in 1972, they turned into something much darker. A day of terror, blood, and tragedy. How did a sport even become the scene of one of the worst terrorist attacks in history? Munich, Germany, summer 1972. The Olympics were back in Germany for the first time since World War II. This time, the country wanted to show the world it had changed. No more war, no more Nazis, just sports, smile, and friendship. The Olympic Village had no fences, no armed guards. Athletes from all over the world partied together, day and night. The organizers called it the Happy Games. But was it really safe to forget the past so easily? September 5th, 4:30 a.m. While most athletes slept, 8 men dressed in tracksuits climbed over the fence. They weren't here to compete. They carried bags, but not with clothes. Inside, guns, grenades, a plan to shock the world. They broke into where the Israeli team was sleeping. 2 athletes, Moshe Weinberg and Yusef Romano, fought back. They were shot dead. 9 others were taken hostages. The terrorists made the demand: free 234 Palestinian prisoners or we kill the hostages. Why did the Olympics suddenly become a part of a war? Within hours, the news spread. Over 900 million people watched on live TV as the crisis unfolded. The Olympics stopped, but then, unbelievably, the games continued like nothing was wrong. Athletes kept competing while just a few buildings away, innocent men were held at gunpoint. German police tried to talk to the terrorists, but they had no experience with something like this. No special forces, no real plan, just young cops with no idea how to save the hostages. Could they stop this before it was too late? Night fell. A desperate plan was made. The terrorists and hostages would be flown by helicopter to a nearby air base. There, German police would ambush them. But the plan was a disaster from the very start. Only 5 snipers were waiting, with no radios, no night vision, and no real training. When the shooting started, everything went wrong. The terrorists fought back. A grenade exploded inside the one helicopter, killing 4 hostages. The rest were shot dead. By midnight, all 9 hostages were gone. 5 terrorists were killed. 3 escaped, but not for long. How would the world respond to such tragedy? The next day, the Olympic paused for just 24 hours, then kept going. Many thought this was wrong. The Israeli team left, taking their dead home in coffins. Israel swore revenge. They launched Operation Wrath of God, a secret mission to hunt down every person involved. Meanwhile, Germany realized its mistakes and created its first anti-terror squad. For years, the victims' families fought for justice. Finally, in 2022, 50 years later, Germany officially apologized. But can an apology ever really heal such an wound? The Munich Olympics were meant to bring the world together. Instead, They showed us how dangerous hate can be. Even today, we remember the lives lost. Not for medals, but simply because they were there. And that's a tragedy we should never forget.